The Northern Colorado IMRG celebrated its 7th chapter anniversary on July 30th, 2025. Our past year has been packed with fun and adventure, from multi-day road trips and dealership events to dinner rides, thrilling day rides in the Rockies, social gatherings, and motorcycle skills practice sessions. Check out some of the highlights from our fantastic 7th year. What an amazing ride it was to Cripple Creek. The Colorado scenery was simply incredible the whole way. We hit a heavy downpour and divide, which was a bit scary and challenging, but we came through unscathed and a bit more experienced. On the way home, we took a detour through Garden of the Gods to see the incredible rock formations. Demo Days was a fun and busy 2 days. We had a cookout each day with hamburgers and hot dogs for the visitors, and we led demo rides and talk bikes with everyone who came out to take test rides. The Glen Haven and Peak to Peak ride was a blast. The scenic route, coupled with the camaraderie of fellow riders and of course the delicious cinnamon rolls at Glen Haven, made for an unforgettable day. We rode to the Windjammer on Carter Lake for lunch. Then afterwards we rode to one of our members' homes for dessert. We attended Wreaths Across America at the Grandview Cemetery in Fort Collins. We watched the ceremony and laid wreaths on veteran graves. This is an annual tradition for us. The Christmas party was so much fun. Great food, great company, and we love celebrating the holiday season together. Chapter meetings are a time to come out and socialize with other members and to catch up with everything that is going on with the chapter. It's always great seeing folks you may not have seen in a while and finding out what they've been up to. The NoCo IMRG celebrated International Female Ride Day with a ride to Cheyenne to the bunkhouse for lunch. This was also our first ride of 2025. This 10-day Ozarks adventure started with a push through Kansas to reach Springdale, Arkansas. Days were packed with scenic rides and unique experiences, including exploring Devil's Den State Park, cruising along the Boston Mountains, riding the Pig Trail, enjoying Table Rock Lake, and discovering the Buffalo River region. The return trip involved navigating thunderstorms, leading us to reroute through Oklahoma and adding an extra couple of days on the road. But the group ultimately arrived back in Colorado, having enjoyed mostly good weather and an unforgettable journey. The Indian Motorcycle Great Summer Cookout was a lot of fun. It was awesome to see so many riders gathering, sharing stories, and enjoying the camaraderie. From sizzling burgers and hot dogs to cool drinks, apron giveaways, and lots of good company throughout the day. The cookout was an absolute blast for everyone who attended. Finally, we rounded out the year by embarking on an unforgettable saddle up and see the dinosaurs journey to Vernal, Utah. We had an awesome time and enjoyed a scenic ride out to Vernal, exploring the area's rich surroundings. Highlights of the trip included delving into the prehistoric wonders of Dinosaur National Monument, marveling at the breathtaking beauty of the Flaming Gorge, and navigating a fascinating geological loop.